Hi everyone, this is the last part of the program where we are going to conclude the whole program. This is where we last ended up when we gave the two-digit value. It gave 0, 100 and 11, and the problem must be arising because we are checking for the 100 position as the first case. So let us modify this code. Yes, as you can see, as soon as we have discovered that whether the number is a three-digit number, we are directly performing the calculation of the hundredth position, But we are not checking whether the number is a two-digit number or whether it is a one-digit number. And so that is the problem. We have to put this whole code inside another block, and that block will be the else part of whether it is a two-digit or one-digit number. So here we are checking whether the number is a two-digit or one-digit number. So let us put the whole hundreds calculation part as the else of it. Here I am putting everything. So now let us check whether it works. 11, and it works just fine. Now I'm going to change the value to, let us say, 25, and when I click submit, what you can see here is this 25 value is correct for the given number 25, but it is getting appended to the previous value that is already available in our text field. This problem arises because in our program we are trying to assign to these field every time. Not only that, we are using something like receiving the field value from result and then appending it to whatever is the new value. So basically we are every time receiving the value from the current result field and then appending it with the new one. Instead of doing this kind of job, we can make a separate variable, let us say, for a result and give it the string value, so to make sure that it is appended with other strings. And every time you give this kind of thing, here you will write result. So let us see what will happen, what will change by this. Here I'm writing result. Every place when we are appending the things to the result field, I'm just writing the result string variable. Let us make few more changes, add few more places, and then here. Okay, and at the end of the program, let us say just before this else part is closed, here I'm going to write this is equal to result. So whatever changes we are making from the result value, that means we are appending to the previous result value, that's it, and then that value is getting at the end getting appended to the result field. So it is not capturing the result field value every time, but rather it is capturing the previous result value. I hope this brings the difference in the code. Let us check it once again. I will repeat the same procedure. 11, I got 11, and then I to 25, and this gives the result. So this is how you implement the code for converting a number from converting a number to any of its words. As a conclusion, what did we learn from this particular program development? We learned how to check the not a number using this predefined isNaN function, and then we also learned how we can create different arrays in JavaScript using square bracket notation. We also learned how to map different words with index positions and how to use index positions in storing the values of retrieving the values of arrays and assigning them to their respective result field based on some calculations like what a number, when a number could be called a 3-digit number, when a number could be called a 2 digit or 1-digit number, and how to calculate the words for 10 multiples of tens, and how to calculate the words for some unique numbers like 11, 12, 13, up and so on up to 19. And we also learned how to find out the words for some special numbers, like not special, we can say these are those kinds of numbers for which we don't need extra arrays like we have created for 11 to 19, because the tens place array is already available, which contains 20, 30, 40 and so on, and the units place array is also available, which contains 1, 2, 3 and so on. All you have to do is append them together with a space and you will get the result. So this is about the whole program. This program can much more be reduced by the number of lines by implementing function calls. That is up to you. If you want, you will find the code online, but all the best learning how to code programs, because that's what software engineers do. All the best. Thank you.